Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be making some marinated chicken which I had to coat, and this is how it looked. Subscribe guys to fika 50 subscribers. So I started by kuidunga na fork so that the spices ziweze kupenetrate. There's a fork. Nikadunga. Nikaiweka in a bowl where I added the spices. That was garlic powder, mashed garlic and ginger, paprika, just spices of your choice. Then I mix them up and for equal mixture, zikuwa equally mixed. The fork was not doing the work, so I had to use my hands. And this is how it looked after the final mixing. After that, to tenderize the chicken, I added some milk. Nika cover for 30 minutes kwa fridge. Then from there, I started the coating. Naka kwa mayai, kwa unga, you're done. Mayai, unga, you're done. And I was done. This is how it looked. Sasa ilikuwa time ya ku deep fry. Ndio hizo hapo ziki deep fry. I served it with some chips zenye bado I made. Just subscribe guys.